What's up everyone? Since everyone has still been asking for extra updates on all of my ecospheres, I will do one for you right now. Let's start off with the oldest one. Has been closed for 7 months, except for the little time that I opened it to transfer our salamander, which has sadly passed away. But I replaced salamander with a blue shrimp. As you can see, the shrimp is right there. I have one clip that I filmed during the exams of it. I will show it right now somewhere, where it was like munching above on the little plants. But for the rest, everything is still doing great. The grass is still growing a little bit higher every single day, even in the winter right now. And then, as you can see here next to it, the wine bottle ecosphere has been a little disaster. It's now basically algae colony, basically. These are like plant material rests. If you want to see me do this one again, hit the like button. Then of course my plants been doing great as always. I have my plant lights right there. So even during the winter they're still growing. With this one here, he has 2 leaves also. I'm making a little time lapse where it grows towards the light. So that will be nice also. You will be able to see that on my TikTok, link in description. And then the big one of course is also doing fine. I put 2 shrimp in it and I still see one on occasion. Like a few minutes ago I still saw it somewhere. Something extraordinary that I was able to film. It was pure luck. I saw the shrimp like falling down from above all the way to the bottom. And I thought it was dead and it was something weird that was attached to it. But it was actually molding. You will see the video now probably. So that was pretty crazy and very nice to watch. So that's actually a sign that I would think the tank is very good. And like the shrimp has everything it needs to grow and survive. There were 2 large snails in it, as you can see. There's still one there. And the other one has died probably just from natural causes. Because it was also pretty big. There is its shell. But for the rest it's doing just fine. So one shrimp at least survived, the other one I haven't seen in a while. Also the plants are even growing above the water level. And I think it will keep surviving. Here my little Chinese money plant is doing a little bit bad, so I think tomorrow I will try to fix this because I think the soil is not good for it. Because I got it like this and the soil is really just molding and not a good soil. It's like a clay substrate. It holds way too much water. And my coffee plant is also doing very bad, but this was since the beginning, so I might change something with this one also. But that video you'll see tomorrow. Subscribe for that. Then here my little plant world. The video is also in the description somewhere. Everything is doing just great except for the moss, which has died completely. And this little plant is also like half the size that it was. But this one of course growing, it was all the way inside at the beginning, now it's already there. And this one is also doing fine. By the way guys, if you want to see a review on my fossil and stone collection, put it in comments, maybe I will do that in the future. And here up my little ladder I have my little aquarium where I keep my excess snails. As you can see a few of them, the orange spots. And my little floating plants, I also keep them. I have to add some new water because it evaporated. And as you can see, my banana plant, this little palm, and my big boy is doing great. I will probably move this big boy downstairs to the kitchen where we can actually enjoy the plant, because I basically never see it and it's such a beautiful plant. But the problem is going to be to get it out of here, because it has to go through this little hole, which is going to be something, right? And these plants also doing great. Alright. That was it. A short little update for you because you asked for it so much. and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.